Hi guys and welcome. It's time to take control of your earning potential and discover new opportunities for success. AI Avatar is the key to make it happen. This innovative technology is changing the face of online entrepreneurship, providing many incredible opportunities for those ready to take advantage of them. With AI Avatar by your side, you'll have everything you need to build the life of your dreams. So don't wait, join us today and start making money with AI Avatar.
Have you heard about DreamPeak AI yet? It's a fantastic platform that lets you turn your ordinary photos into personalized works of art. And the best part, it's all done through artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. First, upload 10-30 photos of yourself, or someone else if you want, to the platform. Then you pick from a wide range of styles, including everything from celebrities to art deco, from African shamans to comic soccer players. You can suggest your custom style if you have a specific vision. Once you've picked your style, the DreamPeak AI platform uses advanced technologies like Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth to train a neural network on your photos. This creates a model that can generate new images in your chosen style. And trust me, the results are excellent. So what can you do with these personalized images? Well, the sky's the limit. You can download and share the photos on social media, use them as your new profile picture, or even use them for commercial purposes. And because the platform is fee-based, you can be sure that your photos and information are kept safe and secure. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I want to try a different style later? Don't worry, DreamPeak AI has got you covered. You can reuse or download the trained model and create images in as many different styles as you like. The possibilities are endless. And that's not all. DreamPeak AI is constantly adding new styles to its list, so you'll always have options. Whether you're into futuristic cyberpunk, vintage steampunk, or the latest pop art trends, you'll find it all here. And if you don't, suggest a new style, and who knows, it might end up being the next big thing. Another great thing about DreamPeak AI is that you can create images of anyone you like. Maybe you have a friend who always wanted to be a comic soccer player, or perhaps you have a family member who wants to see themselves as a Greek deity. With DreamPeak AI, you can make those dreams a reality. So whether you're an artist, a creative mind, or just someone who wants to have fun, DreamPeak AI is the perfect platform. With its easy-to-use interface and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to turn your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to express yourself or want some creative severe fun, DreamPeak AI is the perfect platform. Try it out today and see what amazing images you can create. Have you heard about Avatarify? It's a fantastic AI tool that creates custom avatars for you. Imagine having an online presence that's unique to you, one that truly represents you and your personality. That's what Avatarify does. It uses cutting-edge technology and powerful GPUs to process your photos and create avatars that look just like you. So how does it work? Well, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is upload a few selfies of yourself or someone else if you want to create an avatar for them, and choose the prompt or create your own. The AI will then work using your photos to create custom avatars perfect for social media, virtual events, video games, and more. The best part? Avatarify is also incredibly affordable. For just £349, you get access to one specially trained model and 20 HD avatars. Plus, if you want your avatars in 4K, you can add that on for just 49 cents per image. At Avatarify.art, the team understands that privacy is a big concern when it comes to creating avatars. That's why the service takes all necessary measures to ensure the security of your personal information and uploaded photos. It uses 256-bit AES encryption to protect your data and only works with SOC2 and ISO 27001 certified vendors to store its databases. This way you can be sure that your information is secure. Plus, if you're unhappy with your avatars, you can request a full refund within 1 hour of delivery. Another critical aspect of the service is that it is designed specifically for adults. The platform does not allow minors to upload photos or create avatars, as it is against the terms of service. Avatars are intended for professional use. Sometimes there may be a delay in the availability of your avatars, especially during periods of high demand. However, if your photos are unavailable after 30 minutes, it may be due to server overload. In such cases, you can try again after 15-30 minutes. As for the accuracy of the avatars, avatarify.art guarantees that they will look like you, with some deviations due to the work of artificial intelligence. The more photos you upload and the more diverse the lighting, facial expressions, clothing and angles, your avatar will be accurate. Avatarify.art has a team of customer support specialists who are always ready to help you. If you have a question about the process or need help with artificial intelligence, they will be happy to help. There's also an FAQ page with answers to the most common questions. So what are you waiting for? If you want to boost your online presence and have a little fun in the process, Avatarify is the perfect tool for you. Remember, the quality of your avatars will depend on the number and variety of photos you upload, so make sure they're clear and high quality. And if you have any questions, there's a helpful FAQ page that can answer all your queries, so go ahead and give it a try. Have you ever wanted a portrait of yourself that looks just like you? Look no further, because autoportrait.ai is here to make that dream a reality. This fantastic service uses artificial intelligence to generate unique portraits of a person from multiple photos of their face. All you have to do is upload a few clear pictures of your face and let the magic of AI do the rest. The AI takes anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours to train on your photos, but the results are truly stunning. The generated portraits are so lifelike, they look exactly like you. And the best part is the AI can generate an unlimited number of images in millions of styles, so that you can have a different picture for every mood and occasion. Autoportrait AI is also a secure service, so you can rest easy knowing that your payments are protected by Stripe and encrypted with SSL. And if privacy is a concern, you'll be happy to see that they have a strict privacy policy. To use Autoportrait AI, you'll need to buy credits. 1 image equals 1 credit, and you can buy 500 credits for 1 face training with artificial intelligence for 1 person. There's also a surprise package option, where you can get 50 images with random stars for a fun surprise. If you want even more portraits, you can buy 500 credits for up to 500 pictures or 1000 credits for up to 1000 pictures. And if you buy 1000 credits, you'll even save 10% in credits. That's 2 face training with artificial intelligence for 2 people and up to 1000 images. Autoportrait.ai is a game changer for people who want a unique and personalized portrait. It's not just about creating a digital image that looks like you, it's about having the ability to express yourself in new and creative ways. Whether you want to use your portrait for personal or professional purposes, Autoportrait.ai has got you covered. The whole process is super simple and user-friendly. You must upload a few photos of yourself and the AI will do the rest. It's like magic. The AI uses these photos to create a digital version of you that can be customized in endless ways. You can choose from millions of presets and styles, or you can even create your custom style. And the best part? The AI is super smart, so it keeps learning and improving with every portrait it generates. So the more you use Autoportrait AI, the more personalized and unique your images will become. The guys behind Autoportrait AI, Zeke and Victor Timset, have ensured that the service is secure and trustworthy. They have implemented industry-standard encryption methods to protect your data and payments, so you can rest easy knowing that your privacy and security are taken seriously. So what are you waiting for? Get creative and generate some portraits today. Whether you want to make a personalized gift for someone special or use it as your profile picture on social media, Autoportrait is the perfect solution. With its easy-to-use interface, millions of styles and presets, and secure payment system, you can go right. Have you ever heard of Picture Perfect AI? It's a fantastic new AI avatar generator, changing the game for virtual assistants, customer service agents, and even personal companions. The state-of-the-art tool takes the hassle out of creating a customized, lifelike avatar that truly represents you or your brand. So how does it work? It's simple. You just upload your photos and choose from over 100 appearance options. Each style generates 8 unique avatars, meaning you'll have 200 to choose from. The result is a high-quality, diverse avatar that reflects your personality and style. But what sets Picture Perfect AI apart from other apps is its commitment to quality. They don't take shortcuts or rely on pre-existing models. Instead, they train their own models and run their GPU servers to ensure the best possible results. And the best part, they offer all of these at an affordable price. Now I know you're thinking, what about my privacy? Don't worry, Picture Perfect AI has got you covered. All user data is encrypted and deleted after 24 hours, so you can trust that your personal information is safe. To get the most out of Picture Perfect AI, it's recommended that you upload 10 close-ups of your face, 5 chest and up photos, 3 side profile photos, and 3 full body photos with different facial expressions, backgrounds, and minimal makeup. Make sure there's no nudity or excessive makeup in your photos. Payments are protected by AES 256 encryption and processed through Stripe, so you can have peace of mind when making your purchase. Picture Perfect AI supports JPG, PNG, WEBP, and AGIC photo formats, so you can use your preferred photo format. And the best part, the avatars you create with Picture Perfect AI are just the beginning. Once you have your avatar, you can use it in various ways to enhance your online presence. For example, you can use your avatar as a virtual assistant to handle routine tasks like responding to emails or scheduling appointments. You can also use it as a customer service agent to provide quick and efficient customer support. And if you're feeling lonely, your avatar can even be a personal companion to keep your company. Picture Perfect AI is constantly improving and updating its technology so that you can expect even more features and options in the future. In a few years, your avatar might even be able to interact with others in real time. The possibilities are endless. One thing's for sure, Picture Perfect AI is a game changer. It's making the virtual world more accessible and more personalized than ever before. Whether you're a business owner, a virtual assistant, or just someone who wants to enhance your online presence, Picture Perfect AI is the tool for you. So what are you waiting for? Get started on creating your very own AI avatar today and join the ranks of those who are revolutionizing the virtual world. Have you heard of Avatar AI yet? It's a revolutionary tool that lets you turn yourself into a photorealistic AI avatar. And let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. You can choose from 112 plus different styles, ranging from punk desert warrior to jungle Instagram model to video game protagonist, and let your imagination run wild. It's like becoming whoever you want to be, all with just a few clicks of a button. The process is simple. After payment, you get a link to upload your photos and start the creation process. The service uses advanced AI algorithms like Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth to generate avatars that look just like you but in the styles you choose. They recommend taking 10 close-up photos of your face, 3 profile shots from the side, 5 chest height photos, and 3 full-length photos. The more different your images are, the better the results will be. High-quality photos work best, and it's important to remember to look away from the camera and have a variety of facial expressions and backgrounds. And it's not just for humans. You can turn your furry friends into AI avatars too. Imagine being able to have your paid portrait in a punk desert warrior style or a jungle Instagram model. The options are endless. And if you're in a relationship, why not turn yourselves into a couple and show off your unique style to the world? The first in the world to offer AI photos, Avatar AI uses artificial intelligence to turn your small square AI avatar into a full-size 2:3 AI photo in 4K resolution. It's a great way to save time and money on an actual photo shoot, which can cost anywhere from $300 to $3,000. You can get over 120 4K AI avatars with Avatar AI for just $367. The AI visualization model used by the service, Stable Diffusion, was created by many researchers at LMU Munich and Runaway ML with the support of Emad Mostek and others at Stability AI. Meanwhile, Dream Booth, an open-source deep learning generation model, was developed by researchers such as Nathaniel Ruiz of Google Research and Boston University in 2022. It allows you to train AI visualization models to be who you are in photos, and then generate any image in any style you want. Creating your avatars takes about 46 minutes, and Avatar AI accepts payments through various methods including credit or debit cards, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Ideal, SoftWorld, Bancontact, Prelevi24, GeoPay, EPS, GrabPay, Alipay, and many others. But unfortunately, they do not accept PayPal or cryptocurrency and do not plan to shortly. In addition, To creating AI avatars and photos, Avatar AI also offers other features that make the experience even more enjoyable. For example, users can use the built-in photo editor to adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and other settings for each avatar. This way you can fine-tune your avatars to make them look even more like you, or adjust the style to your preference. Another cool feature is the ability to create personalized animations with your AI avatars. You can use the animations as your profile pictures on social media as a way to introduce yourself in a video, or as a fun way to share your personality with friends and family. The animations are created using a combination of AI algorithms and motion graphics, and are sure to be a hit on social media. The AI avatars and photos created by Avatar AI can also be used for various purposes. For example, an AI avatar can be the perfect solution if you're looking for a new profile picture for your social media account. They are unique, stylish, and a fun way to showcase your personality. You can also use them for professional purposes, such as creating a LinkedIn profile picture or as a professional profile photo for your resume or portfolio. Another excellent use for Avatar AI is for dating purposes. If you're looking for a new way to show off your personality and interests, why not create an AI avatar of yourself in a style that represents who you are? You can create a romantic couple's avatar with your significant other, or even a pet portrait of your furry friend. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, Avatar AI is a powerful and innovative tool that allows users to create AI avatars and photos that are photorealistic, fun, and unique. The possibilities are endless with over 112 styles to choose from and the ability to adjust your avatars with the built-in photo editor. So why not try Avatar AI today and see what kind of AI avatar or photo you can create for yourself?